Hi. Uh, I got my UK driving license, and trust me, 6 months back, I never touched car steering. I don't know what cars are because I was literally into motorbikes, and now, within 6 months, I got this one. And based on this experience, I'm telling you, it's not all about how great driver you are. It's not all about how great skills you have. It's all about how safe your hands are, and everything should go on your way that day, that test day. That's it, nothing much. Just be safe. Get this one. It's easy. I'm telling you, I'm not a great driver, but I believe I'm safe. And even more, like, I asked like 70 to 80 people in the 6 months. They all told the single thing: how safe you are will matters. Let's check it out. So yeah, there you go. Just open this. Ah, ah, nice, 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 nice. UK driving license. Got him. Yeah, got it.